Hello friends, in today's video we will talk about how to grow mint at home. To grow mint, you can use old tubs or buckets. Mint does not require much depth to grow in a tub or bucket. You can choose the width according to your needs. You can take cuttings from a tip section like this, removing some of the lower leaves. In the soil mix, I have used equal parts of soil, sand, cow dung manure and coco peat. The soil mix prepared in this ratio will be quite loose and well draining, while also retaining moisture, which is ideal for growing mint. Mint responds very well to this type of soil mix and grows quite vigorously. Plant the mint cuttings about 2 inches deep in the soil. Regarding watering, it needs to be done regularly. You will need to water it daily. The soil should always remain slightly moist for it to grow well. Friends, this is the first update after 18 days. All the mint cuttings we planted have grown successfully. To make it even denser, we will pinch off the tip of the plant. This will encourage new growth from all the leafy nodes, allowing our mint plant to become as bushy as possible. Friends, in this update you can see that it has started to become denser just 4 days after pinching. This next update is from 30 days later, and look how wonderfully it's growing. It will be ready for harvest in just a few days. The next update is after 33 days. It is now ready for harvesting. After harvesting, add cow dung manure and water it. It will be ready for harvesting again in a few days. Regarding the growing season of mint, it grows well in all seasons except winter. It continues to grow throughout the summer and rainy seasons, but its main growing period is the summer season. The best time to grow mint from cuttings is at the beginning of the spring season, when new growth is starting. Rooting begins very quickly when growing mint from cuttings. At this time, always grow mint in semi-shade. This will prevent the leaves from yellow and keep them green. Friends, if you need cow dung manure or any other fertilizer for your kitchen gardening, you can place an order by sending a WhatsApp message to the number shown on the screen. You will get amazing results. If you found this video useful, please like, share and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. Happy gardening.